And again, with the qualifications, what qualifications do you have? Have you done an astronomy course, an astrology course? Are you an astrophysicist? No, no, no. But I have mucho common sense, all right? Where is the logical, the science that says I wouldn't see my sun if it turned on from off and I was facing in its general direction? The science that reckons that it would take 8 minutes and 20 seconds is flawed. Hasta la vista, right? It is wrong. This is about common sense, right? A light source will radiate its light to as far as it's going to radiate at absolute speed. Your eyesight will pick any light source up if it's powerful enough instantly. It turns on, you see it. All happens like that. Bang, bang. Possum. That is how fast it would happen, right? So Monday afternoon, everybody's working. It's going to be a full moon tonight. The call comes through the tannoy at work. Ding dong. We're turning the sun off for maintenance. It will be coming back on tonight. All right? Now, those on the daytime part of planet Earth will see the sun at absolute speed. Those on the dark side at night will see the full moon instantly. As soon as the sun came on, bang, bang, wouldn't even be able to separate them. This is what it would look like on the dark side, and this is what it would look like on the light side if the sun turned on from off. Count to 15-ish, 20-ish, maybe 15. Moon first. That's what would happen. You'd see that sun almost immediately. You know why? Because it's only 108 diameters of itself away from you. 108 sun diameters away. A light source will reach to wherever it's going to go, right, at absolute speed. Your eyesight will pick any light source up if it's powerful enough to reach you. If a light source doesn't reach you, it doesn't catch up with you 20 years down the road. Let's say this reaches 15 kilometers, it's got a range. Somebody looking towards it will see it for 15 Ks, right? If they're at 17 Ks, they definitely can't see it. Is this light ever going to reach them? Of course it isn't, because it doesn't reach. He's out of range, she's out of range, they are out of range, right? If you're out of range of a light source, that's it. It's not going to reach you in 4.2 years for Proxima Centauri. It reaches us because it's powerful enough for your eyesight to pick up, right? There's no travel. if you're seeing a light source, it's on, okay? It isn't off, it's on. No source, no light. It's either on or it's off. You can see it or you can't. If your mate can see it and he's a bit closer than you are, he'll see it. You can stay there forever. You won't see it. It's not going to travel towards you. Stars are no different than a flashlight. It's the concept. If the light's going to reach you, it reaches you straight away. I don't need qualifications to work that out. I've got two eyes, my head, common sense. I can see what's going on. I know the stars are absolute. I can see them every night. I can see the sun during the day. I can work it out. I'm not stupid. Just because you've been taught something, right? It's illogical. Think about it. It isn't a logical reason. Just because you have been taught something that's wrong, that's not a logical reason to believe it. Think about it. It's light, isn't it? It's either on or it's off. It's common sense. When you think about it, you'll see that it's common sense. Step back from the absurdity and just look at light in general. It's not complicated. All right, folks, I might do a bit of the book later on, see how we go. If I do it, it's going to be a little bit about Aristarchus, Archimedes and Eratosthenes. Show you be about 5 minutes, and then it will be on to that Hipparchus guy. Hipparchus, he's a legend. He's a bit of a Galileo, if you ask me. All right, peeps, laters.